Hi everyone, in today's video we will talk about how to enter in BIOS in Lenovo Yoga. So I have a Lenovo Yoga Pro i9, and as you know, here is the start button. So I will press the start button, and in parallel we will press an other button, and I will readjust the screen that you can see it. So basically I am planning to press the F12 because accordingly to the documentation F12 is the BIOS button. So I pressed the start, and a couple of times I will try to press, and here it is. So like you have entered in the BIOS with that, and from here on you can do whatever you want. You might have to press Fn F2 or just F2. It depends what kind of laptop you have. If you think this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.